Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about resistor. Resistor is a passive element which opposes the flow of electrons. And the property exhibited by resistor is the resistance, denoted by R, and the units are ohms, denoted by this symbol ohms. Resistor is also used to provide specific voltage to the circuit. The resistor is similar to that of water pipe. When the water pipe is, see, this is a water pipe. This water pipe is even with no twist. Okay, the water is flowing in this direction with a uniform rate of velocity. When the pipe is get twisted here, then the rate of flow will be decreased. Similar to this, resistor is also resistor. When we apply voltage here, for example 5 volts, and we will get either 3 volts, 2 volts, depending upon the resistance of this resistor. And another important property of the resistor is power rating. Or watt rating. We have quarter watt resistor, half watt resistor, 1 watt resistor, 2 watt, 4 watt, and so on. See, we can see this resistor. This is a quarter watt resistor. See, the size is less, and this is a half watt resistor. This is a quarter watt resistor, and this is half watt resistor, and this is 1 watt resistor. See, there is only slight size difference between all these resistors. Quarter watt is smaller than half watt is smaller than 1 watt. When power rating increases, the size of the resistor also increases.